On today's episode of Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be talking about rewarding safety, so stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, Warehouse Safety Tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
Do you reward safety at your facility? What I mean by that is, do you really let people kind of get involved in safety, involved in the process, really kind of keep it front of mind? The reason I ask is I have a picture here, and this is my mom. If you look, she's holding a bouquet of roses, and it is a Safety Slogan Contest that she was in when she was working at a foundry. This particular safety slogan was, "Where safety reigns, there will be gains." And it's kind of interesting because I remember as a kid sitting around the kitchen table and going through all the different variations that we come up with, and then picking one in this case that we thought would be the big winner. And I think out of maybe 5 or 6 times, I think she won 3 or 4 of those times. She was able to go to Dale Carnegie training and all sorts of different things. And what was amazing was they would take those safety slogans, they would put them on gigantic banners, and they would hang them up throughout the facility, so they wouldn't come down until the next year's winner. So when you're that involved in safety, it just gets internalized. It gets, again, front of mind, and it's something that if you don't currently have a way to go through and reward your staff for safety, make sure that you do, because safety, with just like the motto that my mom come up with in that particular winter, where safety reigns, there will be gains in not only morale, not only in safety, where that board that you have will not have a low number, it'll have a high number since your last accident. You'll have better productivity, you'll have better organization, you'll have better profitability. And the reason why, and the reason that there'll be gains is because when there isn't accidents, you don't have to worry about production being stopped or lawsuits or insurance payouts and all the like that go along with safety. Safety is one of those things that it never goes out of style. So if you currently have a great safety program, fantastic. Keep up the great work. If you don't, implement one now and you'll thank us. And now, a word from one of our sponsors.
You want an organized workspace. You want a safe and efficient way to lay out your shop or warehouse. But it takes forever to mask and paint the floor lines, only to watch them fade and smear and have to do it all over again. The solution? Mighty Line Tape. Mighty Line floor tape is simply the most durable floor tape available. It's 7 times thicker than most other floor tapes. It's beveled on the edges so it can handle an army of forklifts. And it comes up anytime with no scraping and no residue. Why mess with the mess and the fumes of floor paint when Mighty Line has the rolls, shapes, colors, and signs that fall right in line with 5S standards? There's a place for everything, and everything has its place. That's why we're here. There's only one American-made Mighty Line tape, the only durable stripe.
You can find the show notes to each episode, links to information mentioned on the vodcast, the social media platforms we're on, and anything else related to the vodcast at warehousesafetytips.com. And if you want to catch our podcast and or request a sample pack of Mighty Line, visit mightylinetape.com/safety tips. Thank you for watching Warehouse Safety Tips, and have a safe day.